Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the file open. Start by selecting exactly what to delete. Click and drag to highlight contiguous cells, or hold Ctrl and click to pick non-adjacent cells. If you need whole rows or columns, click the row numbers or column letters instead. Once done, make sure the selection matches your intention. Accidental selections erase data. If you prefer keyboard control, use Shift plus arrow to expand and Control plus Shift plus space to select the current region before moving on. Now choose how to remove the selection. Press Delete if you only need to remove values and keep formats or formulas. This is quick and non-structural. Alternatively, go to the Home tab and open Clear to remove contents, formats, comments, or all depending on your goal. If you need to change the sheet structure, right-click and pick Delete to shift cells up or left, or remove entire rows or columns. Make sure to preview the Shift option, as it alters surrounding data and references. Complete the task by saving changes and verifying nearby formulas. Structural deletions can alter cell references. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl plus Z right away to undo the last action. Excel's undo stack is your safety net. For more complex deletions, save a copy first or work on a duplicate sheet so you can compare results. If formulas show errors after deletes, check named ranges and update references. Adjust relative formulas or restore from the copy when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.